Shenzhen Rayform Technology Company, Limited has developed RF8800 Ceres Dental 3D printers as the largest build volume on the market. It is DLP technology with Matix engine for industry and has released high efficiency, ultra-high precision, animation, good stability with lower cost. Unique materials and industrial control computer enhance equipment stability. The optical engine has a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. RF8800 use 4 high-powered DLP projectors and a highly efficient custom optical train to ensure that high power is delivered to each voxel, resulting in fast polymerization. Largest DLP build volume in the market, and 120 dental molds can be printed each time in only 45 minutes. Auto models arrangement. Direct reading of STL, no need to be processed into BP file. Auto printing in high speed. After finishing the printing task, the dental models are automatically removed and collected, starting a new cycle of automatic production. Automatically obtaining data to achieve unmanned continuous printing tasks. Resin will be refilled automatically during printing. Achieve 24/7 automatic production, unattended printing at night.